How to clear Spotify recently played history. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Vipin Visnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can clear your recently played history or recently played list on Spotify. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide it through. First things first, you can open up Spotify. Now here on Spotify, if you head over to your profile, on the profile tab at the top left, you'll be able to see the option that says listening history on the left side of the screen. If you tap on it, you'll be able to see your listening history, but as you can see here, I don't have any listening history. Now, even if you have one, how you can clear it? There is no indirect option to clear the recently played list on Spotify. However, there is a trick to it. You can simply head over to your profile tab on the top left and then tap on settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you want to scroll all the way down below and you want to tap on the logout option at the bottom of the screen. Once you tap on logout and once you're logged out of your account, if you log in back again, then your recently played list will be cleared. Now surprisingly this works, I don't know why, but make sure that your account is logged out of every single device that you're logged in on and then log in back again and your recently played list will be gone. So this way you can clear the Spotify recently played list. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.